Welcome! In this video I will show you 5 of the Cutest free themes for Samsung Galaxy S21 that you can find in the Galaxy Themes app. So at the first we have to move for the settings and then tap on the search pool and type themes. We have to pick up this option, and when you are here, if you want to spot that themes, you have to click on the right upper corner and then tap free. And you will be able to find all of these themes right here, but I actually prepared the download list so I can find it in the My Stuff. So the first one is called the Watermelon. Let's apply and just take a look how it looks. Okay, so as you can see, the icons has changed, the same with the navigation bars, right? What about this one? Okay, this one just changed the colors. And when you go for the draw menu, the other icons has also this green border, and I think it looks really nice, and the lock screen looks like that. I think that this one is just the most beautiful from the 5, and right now we have to go back for this theme store and just go for the another one. The next one that I really enjoy is Chewing Bunny. So when you type the name on the search pool, you will find this this theme. So it looks like that. The same, the icons, every icon has changed, and in the menu we got stack icons without the borders. And notification bar changed the colors for a little bit warmer, and lock screen looks the same like the home screen wallpaper. The next one, let's go here. It's really annoying that it's turned off, but you know, we have to get used to it. And another one that I really like is Autumn Leather. But honestly, this notification bar is, you know, not that good like in the previous themes. And here every icon has the borders, and also we get also a few kind of the Unix icons. Notification bar has changed also a little bit, and the lock screen looks like that. So we are two left. Oh, this was very cool, the lock screen pattern, as you can see. So here we get the leaves going through our finger. Really nice. And let's go for another one. Another one that we can apply is the bouquet. So as you can see, icon has changed, but the free keys navigation just stay as a default that we have on the Samsung. And the icons, I think that icons are the best in this theme for all of these 5s. Yeah, it looks really cool. And let's take a look on the lock screen. It looks like that. So there we got the cat near the plant and dreaming about the fishbone. The pattern has changed a little bit, only the color. And let's go for the last one. And the last one is woman sets. So it's very colorful, and icon also got some kind of the borders. Here we got also few customized icons. Oh, wait, I don't want to turn it on. It was just misclick. And let's take a look on the home's lock screen. It's the same as the wallpaper, and the pattern, it looks the same, it's only changed the color. So right now, if you want to apply one of this theme, as I said before, we have to go for the Galaxy themes and then just type here the name of this theme. So for example, if you want to get the watermelon, but it's not this one, just type normal watermelon and you will be able to get it. It's right here. So that's my 5 the cutest free themes for Samsung Galaxy S21. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!